Hi everyone! Today we're gonna do I Ready Math. It's real easy to do. Actually, I love math and I love reading. The commenters who say they love reading, I love commenters who says they love math. I love it too.
Today I'm going to do
Jade has
Ready.
14 characters.
Reading.
She wants to put them into groups of 7. Find how many groups Jade makes. How many groups will Jade make? Let's look at Jade's groups. Complete a division equation and multiplication equation for the problem.
I'm gonna start with the harder one first. I think the times is the harder one. More than this. Guys, I think this one is 2. And this one is 2 again. Yo, I did the harder one and then the
14
easier.
divided by 7 equals 2, and 2 times 7 equals 14.
If you think they're easy to you. If you think they're hard, it's hard to you. That's why I teach you I Ready videos.
She wants to put 3 trophies on each shelf. Find the number of shelves Miss Garza needs. Make an array that shows 3 trophies in a row on each shelf and a total of 12 trophies. Drag the tabs to make the array. You can drag across to show 3 trophies on each shelf. Then drag down until there are 12 trophies in all. The array does show 12 trophies, but let's show 3 trophies on each shelf like this. How many shelves does Ms. Garza need? Find the quotient.
Wait, you eat trophies? Oh, I did not know that. Listen.
How many shelves does Ms. Garza need? Find the quotient.
Oh, I heard eat, not.
How many shelves does Ms. Garza need? Find the quotient. How many shelves does Ms. Garza need? Find the quotient.
the result of division.
Quotient. The result of division.
Cociente. El resultado de la división.
Question. If it's division, why does it show it in English here?
Twelve divided by 3 equals 4. 12 trophies with 3 trophies on each shelf is 4 shelves. Miss Garza needs 4 shelves to fit all the trophies. Now, complete the multiplication equation to represent 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 shelves with 3 trophies on each shelf equals 12 trophies. Both equations show that there are 12 trophies in all, 3 trophies on each shelf, and 4 shelves to fit all the trophies. Marie hangs 28 photos in equal rows. She puts 4 photos in each row. Find the number of rows Marie makes. Make an array that shows 4 photos in each row and a total of 28 photos. How many rows of photos does Marie make? Complete the multiplication. 7 rows with 4 photos in each row equals 28 photos. Marie makes 7 rows of photos. Now, that's right. Louis is arranging 45 coins in a coin collection. He puts 9 coins in each row. Find the number of rows Louis makes. Make an array that shows 9 coins in each row and a total of 45 coins. Complete the multiplication equation to represent the problem. Five times 9 equals 45. So Louis makes 5 rows of coins. Now, complete the division equation to represent the problem. First, think about the total number of coins and then how many rows there are.
Guys, I love my commenters actually. I love people that comment, that sub. But there's lots of subs and comments too. Well. On this, if there's 1K subs, or 1K or more comments, then I am going to go back to Plory and Yoop, where it shows Plory and Yoop on level. I might be back on level B if you comment on this video. If you want that to happen, comment. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something first. Pizzas, burgers, and you want all of these, of course. This is what you will want too. Do you want this, guys? Then subscribe. Well then, Krister's channel. You love my channel, don't you? This is gold. Yum Tum. That's pretty enough. If you want all of these, then subscribe. Yum Tum disappear. Yum Tum. Chris's channel. Get some money. If you want the sub, you're not gonna have this little guy. Back to I write.